When you finish drying your freshly styled hair, the best way to finish it is to lock it all in with a finishing oil. Introducing Curlsmith's Bonding Oil, the ultimate finishing oil that is 99% naturally derived, silicone-free, CG-friendly, cruelty-free, and vegan, enriched with vegan keratin to penetrate strands and strengthen them from the inside out, all without weighing it down. Use this to scrunch out the crunch and add beautiful shine to your hair. For long-lasting moisture out of your style. This oil is universal for all hair types, but of course, as with the rest of the Curlsmith Strength line, the more damaged and high porosity your hair is, the more you will need and love this. Or, pro tip from your main girl, if you're looking for a mini protein treatment while getting an extra protective sealant, this is a great treatment to apply as a pre-poo oil before washing your hair. The night before you shampoo, apply 1 pump per section. It's more than enough. This is pretty potent stuff. Doing this will protect your fragile ends and keep your color-treated hair vibrant.